Hi, today I'm for the BLACKVIEW Tab 12 and I will show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why I tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app. Click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK in the left down corner. Here you will see information about your battery health, and in my cases the battery is in a good condition. Also we got here more information like the battery capacity, model, Android version and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.